Hello dear viewers of our channel. We are happy that indeed you have subscribed and you've liked and also you have reshared our videos. Here at TRW Farm, we'll be taking you through different kinds of farming that our farmers are engaging. Here, this was a farm in Ukambani, Masinga, to be more specific, Machakos County. We visited them and they were doing so good in their farming. For example, as you can see, the land is extremely dry, but their oranges and pixies, lemons, as well as sweet potatoes, they were doing very fine. With this kind of farming in a dry area, you also need to have a borehole or a dam that you've dug. But for this farm, they were doing a kind of a borehole and also a local dam that they have in the area. As we'll be taking you through, you can see the trees, they were already flowering as of this time of the season. And to be more specific, it was in September towards October. They are also doing rabbit farming as well as sweet potato harvesting. Work with us in these very well arranged clips that you are going to be enjoying. Thank you. Enjoyed our farm tour. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. In the comment section, please tell us what you want us to be exploring with you. We are indeed happy to walk with you in this journey.